Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we will learn how to set customized ringtone in Redmi Note 10 smartphone. So the same method can be used for Redmi Note 10 Pro and Note 10 Pro Max also. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to download customized ringtone from any website or from your friends. So you go to Jet's website. So it have a lot of ringtones and wallpapers. So you can select the customized ringtone from here. So I will download this ringtone, then click download. You need to wait 10 seconds. So the download is completed. Now we need to go settings, open the settings, then choose sound and vibration, then select the ringtone. So now we need to choose local ringtone. So select that. You need to select file manager, click allow. So downloaded file is available. Click that and click OK. Now you can play that. So click apply. Then select OK. So the ringtone is set successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.